Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this Python video short series, we are going to see another problem based on file handling and Python programming. So guys, you can just check out my previous videos for getting better understanding of file handling. Okay, what is file handling in Python? So we were actually performing out different modes there, and we were just managing like deleting out, creating out, and performing out other tasks with file handling concept in Python. So here we need to append the student names to a file, right? So I can do one thing, I can just directly append. Okay, initially we don't have any student file, right? So I need to create it out, but I can do one thing, I can directly also append it, okay, without creating out within write mode. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just directly append it, though we don't have any student file with us. So I'm going to just give my student name here. Okay, student1 dot txt. Okay, student1 I'm typing because I already have a student file in my system. Okay, that's why you guys, totally depends on you. You can just make file name according to yourself, right? So I'm taking out my alias as f. Alias is nothing but it's the alternate name. I'm going to just write some data within this file, and currently we don't have any data, so we are going to use out append here. Append, with the help of append we are going to just add on the data at the end. Okay, so let's just use the backslash n for getting the new line. Let's use out again. So actually, okay, let's just remove it. I can just make the indentation proper, and here if I am just going to read it, so with open, same thing, you need to pass the student 1 dot txt. Just open it within the right like read mode as f, and we are going to use the variable content so that we can get the print. Okay, f dot read, we are going to just print out the content, that's all. You can see that we have appended out Kajal, Ravi and Amit. Initially nothing was there, so by the help of write function we have returned out the thing, and by the append function we have added out that these three lines in our file, and by the help of read function we have just read out the data, and we have just stored out the read data into the content, and we have printed out the content. I hope guys this is going to be a useful information for you. Thank you.